We are in the Tesoro neighborhood of Medellin, Colombia, in El Poblado. We're gonna show you why this is the Beverly Hills of Medellin, why so many people are moving down here to live or to rent out their apartments. You ready for this?
I'm ready, let's do it.
Let's go. Yeah, this is Amsterdam Plaza. It's pretty famous because it's got restaurants and cafes and little shops in it.
Yeah, everything's closed because we're early here. It's 9 in the morning.
Yeah, let's see if we could get coffee. This looks like a little cafe here, and there's definitely people there.
Yeah.
Everything else is closed, though.
Yeah,
but it looks like they're restaurants.
There's another cafe down on the other end.
Yeah, okay. I want one of those. Urbania. Dos americanos y yo quiero un...
A mí me regaló una almohada, por favor.
Yo un croissant de jamón y queso, por favor. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah. Nice. Let's give this coffee a taste. Have you had Urbania before?
I have, yes. Their coffee is great. Highly recommend them. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So this is an Americano. Here I ordered an almohada de queso.
What's an almohada de queso?
It's like a cheese bread, baked cheese bread.
How do you spell almohada?
I don't know. It's too early in the morning to do that. But what do you have over there?
Oh, I've got my jamón y queso croissant. They love ham and cheese here.
Yeah. How do you spell croissant?
I don't even know. That's why I'm in real estate.
That is stuffed.
Yeah.
This is actually really good almohada.
All right, so what are we looking at? The damage here?
38,000 pesos.
Okay.
Which is about $9.50.
$9.50.
Yeah.
All right, and we had 2 coffees and 2 things to eat.
Not bad for the morning. So we tried to walk in there to get a haircut, but it's Saturday. They have appointments already set up. They do charge 50,000 pesos for your haircut, which is $12.50. So we're gonna walk over to El Tesoro Mall and try to get a haircut over there.
All right, Franco, how long have we been walking?
We've been walking for 10 minutes.
All right, and we are at El Tesoro.
Yeah.
Tesoro has over 200 shops, restaurants, cafes. It's one of the higher end.
The best commercial center in the world.
Yes.
The reason it's the best is because people like her that live in these neighborhoods and have a lot of money want to go to the name brand stores, you know, like Louis Vuitton, Coach, etc. That's why it's one of the most high-end, sought after, and it's also cool because they've got like a little theme park inside for kids, a bunch of restaurants. Let's go check it out. All right, Franco, what are we doing?
We are walking through El Tesoro right now. We just made an appointment at the barber shop for later after lunch. And right now we're gonna head over to an apartment that we have for sale, and we're gonna go ahead and do a walkthrough there.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
So what are we buying here?
So we're buying water and Bretaña soda water, all for 8,000 pesos.
Which is what, like $2?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, looks like we're here, Franco, at the apartment. Does this apartment complex have any amenities?
Yes, it has 24/7 security. It does have a pool, sauna, steam room. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh,
Amazing,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, this is great. So
Open space,
a
open layout.
A lot of open space.
Yeah, very spacious. This is 91 square meters. It was recently remodeled 4 years ago. You have this amazing countertop. And on this side, when you come over here, you have your microwave and your oven.
Oh, and you've got the washing machine here. Okay, so we've got a place here to, you know, like wash your mops or anything else.
Yeah, exactly. And you have a bit of a view here from the kitchen.
Oh yeah, this is great.
Yeah, it's very peaceful.
Right.
And then another thing that the owners did here is that this used to be the maid's quarter, and they turned it into a little office area.
Yeah,
which is amazing. And
this
you
is
can
cool.
close this door and scream all you want in your meetings, and no one will hear you.
Love it. Yeah.
Yeah. You have a nice social area here.
Yeah, this is like a living space, and you've got. They did put a little dining table here themselves.
Yeah.
And he was telling me that This does, he will sell it furnished, by the way.
That is right.
And then you got more
Yeah.
living area here.
More, you have your TV, entertainment room area, you know, enjoy some Netflix, watch whatever movies.
Netflix and chill.
Yeah, exactly.
We've got a social bathroom,
Yes,
but it's a full bath.
it is. Yep, that's right.
Very beautifully remodeled.
You have the first bedroom, so it's 2 bedrooms, remember that,
Yeah.
and the 2 full baths.
This could easily fit a queen size bed in here.
Yeah.
It is the second bedroom, and then this is the master.
And then you have your master over here.
And these are like cat or kid meshes because they do have kids. These would come down, obviously.
Yes. And then what I love here is the
Yeah, you've got like you could separate
the
it if you
walk-in
wanted to.
closet slash bathroom.
Yeah, very cool design of
Yeah.
the bathroom. A lot
Well
of
thought
great
out.
use of space. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
They do have a little hammock here.
Yeah.
Very cool place to lounge. And you do get a breeze because we are in El Tesoro, so there's a breeze and there's a creek over there. Let's see if you guys can hear it. All right, Franco, what is the asking price on this one?
So it's 775 million pesos, which in today's exchange rate is 195,000 US dollars. The HOA fees are $150 and the property taxes are $750 a year. We're gonna head back to the El Tesoro Mall. We're gonna get our haircuts and we're gonna get some lunch. Get my haircut.
All right. ¿Cómo es su nombre? Jose. 8 years cutting hair at Celebrity Barber. Check that out. Pretty cool. All right, Franco, we just got our hair cut at Celebrity Barber. Do you feel like a celebrity?
I do, I feel like a new person. Feel great.
I know, I feel amazing. You got the haircut. How much was that?
Mine was $16, which is 65,000 pesos. And I got a facial included with my haircut.
Wow. I did the shave and the haircut, which was about 90,000 pesos.
Yeah,
That's
which is
about-
$23.
Wow, that's it?
Yeah, exactly.
I thought it was more. $23, that's insane.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I highly recommend that place. They did a great job.
100%.
Yeah, and you could be in the mall, which is awesome.
Yeah.
Now it's time for lunch. Let's go eat.
Let's go eat, yeah?
We don't want to spend the whole day in the mall. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go eat at this really famous rooftop over here. In order to get there, it's about a 5-minute walk down through this park. A lot of people don't know that there's this beautiful park
Yeah.
in front of El Tesoro.
And it's so big, you wouldn't expect this in El Tesoro, how
Right.
big this park is.
Yeah, it goes all the way down here. It's a government park called UVA. There's many UVAs, UVAs,
Yeah.
in the city. This one has like a big water tank in the middle of it.
Yeah.
But it has basketball courts. It's got places to do picnics like this, like these people right here.
Yeah, playground setup.
Playground, yeah.
People bring their dogs.
And they're
you
doing
know.
construction here. Looks like they're going to put maybe restaurants and shops here.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Imagine having a picnic here,
Yeah.
and
And you have a nice view of
you
the,
have a view
the
of the
city.
entire city over there, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, this is such a cool spot, man. I would love to live here, especially, being someone that has a kid,
Yeah.
has a family. Franco, you have a family. Well, it's just
I
you
have
and
a
your
dog,
wife, or
yeah.
you and your fiance.
Me and my
And
fiance
you have your dog.
and my dog. I would live here.
Yeah, because you come out here and walk your dog every
Yeah,
day.
exactly. Let him run loose.
All right, we're gonna walk down and go have lunch. We'll see you guys in a sec. All right, never been here. Let's check this out.
Let's check it out.
Oh yeah, this is cool.
Our food is here. We're gonna eat lunch, and then what are we gonna do next, Andrew?
Well, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I know what they're gonna do. If you're ready to buy a property in Medellin within the next couple of months, all you gotta do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, let's eat this beef. They're killing me. Oh, what did you do?
Oh God.